Then, my lord,
In which matter much water has not flown?
because after 2003, my lord, a large number of such employees were dismissed, my lord. Then a large number of these petitions, my lord, were filed. And
What is their initial date of appointment? Regional deputy director is
is superior,
subordinate to civil surgeon.
but is annexure.
No, appointment was on ad hoc basis.
My lord, sir, it was an illegal appointment.
No, because RDD was not competent authority.
Not competent.
No,
Yes.
on the remark column it is said.
Yes.
Who is for the state?
Lords. My lord's last order, my lord, has been complied with. The cost, my lord, as directed, that has been deposited, and counter affidavit, my lord, has been accepted by my lord.
Dismissal after inquiry?
Yes, my lord. A large number, my lord, of illegal appointment in health department, my lord, against class 3 and class 4 post were noticed. Then, my lord, by the annexure 4 at page 17, the department, my lord, directed all the civil surgeons, my lord, to identify such persons. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner was given so cause. He filed reply to the so cause, my lord, that is annexure.
No, appointment was on ad hoc basis.
My lord, sir, it was an illegal appointment. There was no advertisement. There was no clearance, my lord, and there was no interview conducted, my lord. So it was a backdoor entry.
So where is the order of appointment?
Order of appointment, my lord, is annexure 1, A1, my lord, at page 14. He was.
The document is fabricated.
My lord, this document, my lord, is not fabricated, but my lord, the process was not followed, and it gave rise to, my lord, a large number of cases.
Who is the author of this document?
My lord, he is at that point of time, lord, he was deputy director, health services, Magad division, Gaya, my lord.
What action you have taken against him? By the time you take action, he retired and.
My lord, sir, then, my lord, he was dismissed. After dismissal, my lord,
Who was dismissed?
the petitioner, my lord.
No, what action you have taken against the official?
My lord, sir, it was a case, my lord, of a large number of illegal.
Sir, correct. In that case, you must have initiated criminal case against that officer.
And it was subsequently, my lord, looked into by direction of this honorable court. My lord may kindly come to, my lord, annexure 1, my lord, to my counter affidavit file. A 3-man committee was subsequently constituted, and 3-man committee, my lord, inquired into the matter subsequently. Report, my lord, is annexures, my lord, first annexure, my lord, A to my counter affidavit. My lords will find that this inquiry was conducted in the light of direction of this honorable court, my lord. The name of the petitioner, my lord, figures at.
Where is the inquiry report?
Serial number 42, my lord, is.
Page number?
Page number, my lord, it is page number 15, my lord. 15, sorry, my lord, page number 16, my lord. The name of the petitioner figures at the bottom, figure 42. Just before annexure B, my lord.
No, for serial number 42 is the last.
Yeah, 42 is the last, my lord. LPA number, Vishnu Dev Thakur, name of the petitioner. And, my lord, in the column of remarks, it is illegal. And it was by.
No, because RDD was not competent authority.
Not competent.
No,
yes.
On the remark column it is said.
Yes, yes.
RDD, rural development. What is that? Rural. RDD means?
Regional Deputy Director, my lord.
Regional Deputy Director. Then who is the competent authority?
So, my lord, thereafter, my lord, in the light of order passed by this honorable court, LPA was preferred. Some LPA, my lord, filed by the state was dismissed, leading to, my lord, SLP before honorable episode, which is annexure B, my lord. As
No,
similar,
where is the termination order pursuant to the committee report?
my lords, this is the annexure 8, my lord, is the order passed, my lord, prior to that. So when the writ petition was,
No, where is the termination order?
my lord, that is, my lord, the termination order, which is, my lord,
No, that is relating to personal hearing or something.
yeah, personal hearing. And in the writ petition, my lord, when the writ petition was allowed in favor of petitioner and similarly situated persons, they were, my lord, taken back in service by annexure 7, that is at page 21, my lord. And pending inquiry, my lord, they were allowed to work. Then, my lord, when inquiry was,
No, the petitioners were provided a copy of the report. Because the report does not say anything except saying that illegal.
my lord, so far as report is concerned, my lord, when the matter was remanded back, directing three-man committee, my lord, to look into the matter, the petitioners were directed to appear before three-man committee, and my lord, upon consideration of the show cause of all such persons, my lord, the inquiry.
Where is the finding in the inquiring officer, inquiry report that Mr. So and so filed his representation, objection?
My lord, there are 6-7 columns. Number 1, my lord, is the serial number of case was at 38. LPA, my lord, LPA number 273, 715, my lord. District was Aurangabad. Name of the petitioner Vishnu Dev Thakur. Post was, my lord, MWA, medical health worker. Primary health centers, Dev, my lord. And then, my lord, is the
Simply chat, that's all.
yes, that is
Okay.
remarks, my lord.
Huh.
And
It amounts to report.
my lords,
It amounts to report.
my lords, this is the report, my lord, and
Correct, this amounts to report. Just jot downing 4 or 5 columns.
there's large number of candidates. Then, my lord, against this, the aggrieved parties, my lord, filed a second round of litigation, my lord, giving rise to, my lord, two LPA. One decided in favor of the state of Bihar, another decided, my lord, in favor of such employees, my lord. And, my lord, the state aggrieved by the orders passed by Honorable LPA bench, my lord. Civil appeal number 7879 of 2019, my lord, was filed, which is annexure B. And similarly, my lord, the aggrieved party, whose, my lord, LPA were dismissed, my lord, they preferred SLP. Both the matters, my lord, were taken up. And in batch cases, operative part, my lord, is at page 55, my lord. In the light of above discussion, we find that the order of July 12, 2011 or other similar orders passed by High Court cannot be sustained in law and thus are set aside. The appeals filed by a state are allowed. Then, my lord, the appeal filed by such aggrieved persons, my lord, we do not find any error in the order of the High Court dated September 24th, 2014, and therefore the appeals filed by the candidates against such order are dismissed. The pending applications, if any, shall stand disposed of.
What is the date of annexure A8?
Annexure? Annexure,
Annexure 8.
annexure 8, my lord.
Huh.
Annexure
Which is
prior to,
here.
yes, this is 2009, my lord. 8/11/2009. 8/11. 8/11/2003, my lord. It is written as 9, but it is of 2003, my lord. So much water has flown thereafter, my lord. Then, my lord,
In which matter much water has not flown?
because after 2003, my lord, a large number of such employees were dismissed, my lord. Then a large number of these petitions, my lord, were filed. And
What is their initial date of appointment?
initial date of appointment, my lord, is 25/7/1989, as evident, my lord, from Annexure 1 at page 14.
Where is the finding that their appointment was not against sanction post?
My lords, that is, my lord, Annexure 6, my lord, at page 20. जांचोपरांत पाया गया कि आपकी नियुक्ति पत्रांक 686 दिनांक 25/7/89 के द्वारा पुरुष मेल वार्ड वर्कर मिलॉट के पद पर नियुक्ति की गई है। कार्यालय के उपनिदेशक स्वास्थ्य सेवा मगध प्रमंडल गया को नियुक्ति का अधिकार प्रदत्त नहीं था और न ही कार्यालय में पद स्वीकृत था, अतः आपकी नियुक्ति अवैध है। अवैध नियुक्ति के कारण पद सेवा समाप्त की जाती है। So this was the cause, my lord, and this was challenged.
According to you, who is the competent authority to appoint?
My lords, so far as, my lord, class 3 employee are concerned or class 4 employee?
Class 3?
It is class 4 employee, my lord.
Class 4 employee.
Class 4 employee, my lord, in the district, my lord, it is civil surgeons.
Civil surgeon. Then this regional deputy director is
Is superior.
subordinate to civil surgeon.
But my submission, my lord, is that this order was challenged by my friend in writ petition number, my lord, 47.
No, it's all right, sir. With reference to your committee report,
and
you have to go.
it was set aside. This order, my lord, was set aside
Huh.
by the honorable single judge, and he was taken back in service by Annexure 7 at page 21.
On what date he was taken back?
He was taken back, my lord, on 11/10/2003.
Once again he was terminated.
Yes. Thereafter, my lord,
On what date he was terminated?
thereafter, my lord, the process was followed, and 8/11/2003 is the last order of termination.
So what is the basis to this committee report saying that RDD was not competent authority? Who is the competent authority?
There are other reasons, my lord. Post was not advertised.
No, we are not concerned with that. We are concerned with the only report of the committee. Committee says that RDDO was not competent authority. That's all. Against his name. We can't go beyond that. Now, in order to sustain this, who is the competent authority? Where is the document?
My lord, but my submission would be, my lord, that
Sir, scope
this
is
was
limited.
tested, my lord.
Not tested. You yourself have given a report stating that RDD is not the competent authority. Then who is the competent authority?
There are some chains, my lord, missing. It appears, my lord, because after 2003, my lord, he filed a writ petition. A large number of cases, my lord, as many as about 500 cases were clubbed together. And, my lord, writ petition was allowed, my lord.
Sir, this is an individual case. We are concerned, you are rightly or wrongly, you have taken a decision that he was not appointed by competent authority.
My lord, it's not an individual case, my lord, because
No,
in remarks,
reference to your table,
yes, my lord,
it is individual case only.
because there are many LPN, my lord. One last one is LPN number 715.
You want to apprise this court or not? Who is the competent authority to appoint class 4 employees? district immunization officer,
Yes, Lord.
Aurangabad, who has sworn the affidavit, who has sworn the counter affidavit on behalf of respondent 9, hereby directed to appear in person with complete records in order to ascertain who is the competent authority to appoint so far as class 4 employees in a district. He must produce the necessary material to show that regional deputy director was not the competent authority, and the competent authority is so and so dash designation. List this matter after 2 weeks